We planted last October, and today is the day we finally get to harvest. Before we get in that hot sun to harvest that garlic, I found a shady spot to talk to you about our weather. Our weather is important when it comes to harvesting garlic. It really has affected us in 3 ways. We've had rain for the last 4 weeks. Almost every day we've had rain, and not a little bit of rain, lots of rain. We've had standing water everywhere, humidity's off the chart. I mean, we have disease, pests, and weeds everywhere. We've been fighting the best we can on the dry days. Now, here's how it's going to affect our garlic harvest. Number one, it has delayed our harvest. We should have gotten this garlic out of the ground. We should have harvested it about a week ago. But because we've had so much rain, we couldn't get to it. Number two, because of all the rain, dollar weeds have taken off in the bed. You'll see we have dollar weeds everywhere. It's never been this bad. Too much water. Those dollar weeds love it. And so the third way that it's going to mess up our harvest, maybe, and I hope this isn't the case, but because that garlic's in the ground and because we've had so much water, some of that garlic could have rotted in the ground. But you're going along with me. You're going to find out. We're together on this journey. It's hot. Let's go sweat. Let's see what we got. And let's hope our garlic's going to be okay. Normally, I don't use a little spade like this, but as you can see, we let the garlic die off too much, so we're going to have to dig under it, or else this will probably, like I said, just break off. So you're going to have to come in under it, pick it up. Not looking so bad right now. Let's see. Okay. When I harvest my garlic, I want them to look about like this stalk here. Better yet, like that one. I never want them to look like this or this. I told you those dollar weeds are bad. Look at that. Somebody told me you can eat those. I never have. Anyway, back to the garlic harvest. After you harvest your garlic, you're going to want to just lay them on the ground in the sun. That's the reason I'm doing this in the middle of the day, so that they can dry out. That way you can get them ready to keep. We did have a little trouble. I'm about to talk about that. They didn't grow just quite right, but they are still edible. Can you see what's wrong with them? If not, it's okay. Let me find some shade and I'll tell you what's going on. I always try to be honest with you. I'm hot. That was a hot job, but I want to do it in the heat of the day so that garlic could cure correctly. Now let's talk about my garlic. Let me talk about the kind that I plant. This is actually elephant garlic. Elephant garlic is a leek. It's not really a garlic. However, it grows like garlic. It tastes like garlic. You plant it the same way. You harvest it the same way. You use it the same way. And so we call it elephant garlic. But where I'm at in the heat where I am, it does the best. Now, I want you to look and see if you notice what's wrong with my garlic. You guessed it. It didn't divide this year. None of my garlic divided. So that means that whatever happened to all of them. And so it's not genetic, it's environmental. So what I'm thinking is that most likely we had a mild winter. And so this elephant garlic didn't get enough cold to divide, because like garlic, it still needs cold to divide. So probably we had that mild winter. Another thing that could keep it from dividing would be a sudden spike in temperature. Either it's going to go way up or it goes way down. Now, we did have that late drop in April where we had that sudden freeze. That could have been the reason why. Not sure. I'm thinking it's the mild winter. Another reason that it may not divide, it just bulbs up like this, is because it's stressed out. Now, I said it's rained the last 4 weeks, but it should have divided before then. It should have just been filling out. I do think the small size is due to all the extra rain we've had. So we do have smaller cloves this year, or really not cloves, but bulbs. And I think it's because of that. But when these plants are stressed, they won't divide. Now, there's one more reason that they may not divide. If you look at this one here, looks like a zit on it. Well, if you were to pull that off, you would see these. Excuse my dirty hands, I have been harvesting garlic. So you see these? These are what we call corms. Some people call them corns, but they're really with an M, corms. And if I were to plant one of these this year, what I would get next year, so I plant this in October. This time next year, this is what I would harvest. It wouldn't be divided, it would be a small bulb. But if I were to plant this in the ground that following October, then I would get a full clove, and if the environmental conditions were right, I would get a bulb that is divided. So it could be that you're getting bulbs, let me pull this way, that you're only getting bulbs and bulbs that aren't divided because these corms have just grown into this. If you plant this next year, you'll get this. Now, I also could plant this next year, so any of these things I could plant again next year. I could plant these, which I usually leave them in the garlic bed. You're not gonna pull them all anyway. And so I'll replant these. And if I have any of these left, which I probably won't because they didn't divide, I'm gonna use more of these. You can plant these and they will also grow. I'm gonna have to plant, or I have to buy some more cloves to plant next year, it looks like, and I'm okay with that. One last thing is you're thinking about these, let me find them. As you're thinking about these corms, these grow on those elephant garlics, and anytime you harvest, you're not gonna get all these. So the last tip I'm gonna give you is wherever you plant garlic this year, especially elephant garlic, plant it there every year because you're gonna have these come back anyway. Garlic's gonna come back, so keep it in the same bed. I got a little work to do on mine, too many dollar weeds. I got a lot of work, but that's okay. I only have to have it ready by October, so I've got plenty of time. But that's my elephant garlic harvest for the year. Not what I expected, but I'm okay. We still gonna have some to eat. See you guys soon.